Welly puffing machine is a snack extruder. Unlike other snack processing machines that use powder or paste, Welly puffing machine uses whole grains, including white rice, brown rice, corn, and other grains to manufacture whole grain snacks using the frictional heat of ingredients. It manufactures snacks at a low temperature, within about 150 degrees Celsius, using only the frictional heat of ingredients and without a heater, thereby minimizing the destruction of the nutrients of ingredients. This manufacturing process gives snacks a soft and crunchy texture. Standard model uses about 5 kilograms of ingredients per hour and manufactures snacks using a simple method in a short period. It is autonomously set to increase the amount of ingredients inputted during initial operation and can also be controlled manually. It enables a user to adjust the length of snacks for output by operating a cutter when snacks are manufactured and come out. Snacks can be manufactured in various shapes, such as circle, cross, and others, depending on the shape of the outlet nozzle. It can bring out different flavors and tastes by filling snacks with soft ice cream, cheese, and chocolate using a recently developed hollow stick-shaped nozzle. Welly puffing machine uses basic electrical specifications of single-phase 220-volt and 50 or 60 Hz. It enables a user to manufacture and sell snacks directly in a store and to continuously manufacture snacks in a plant. DP Korea obtained patents for the Welly puffing machine from 6 countries, including Korea, Japan, and China, as well as a CE certification. It supplies the machine to the United States, Canada, and Japan, as well as to Southeast Asian, European, and South American countries, and many other countries around the world. DP Korea also manufactures and distributes snacks using local grains. Welly puffing machine has received favorable reviews for its capacity to manufacture healthy snacks with the nutrients of grains, which follows the latest trend, as well as for its machine operation, including quick manufacture, easy cleaning, and maintenance. Factory model is a large snack processing machine that uses about 50 kilograms of ingredients per hour. It uses natural whole grains to manufacture a large amount of snacks. Internal heat can exceed 150 degrees Celsius because of the characteristics of mass production, which uses a large screw. However, an internally attached, self-developed water jacket cools large surfaces effectively and minimizes the destruction of nutrients. It does not use an oil pump inside a machine and allows the installation of an auto-dischargeable screw to maintain the cleanliness of the device. The modular layout of each main part makes it easy to maintain and manage. Moreover, it ensures the user's safety with a safe cover system designed to operate the cutting blade only when the door is closed. The ingredient feeding device can be adjusted depending on the grains and production condition, and it has a high visibility display and a simple control switch. It is mainly used to manufacture snacks for congee and cereal, as well as ring-shaped snacks. Additional nozzles for circular snacks and snacks with other different shapes can be attached.